Let's start the chat from here. Sindhu says the whole world can crumble, but the truth is who we are. Thank you for your presence. Very welcome and thank you for your presence. Yes. We used to say this very often earlier that the whole world can burn. Everything that appears can burn, but I rest as who I am. The entire universe can explode to bits, but I am untouched by this. And these are not just some beautiful words, although they are beautiful words, they are not just some beautiful words like poetry. They are not imagination. It is what has been seen to be true. It is completely true that anything can happen in this world of physical appearance, but I am untouched by it. Atma says, love you, Sangha, love you, Father, love you too. Radhana says, so ironic. The truth with its mighty power always remains silent. The false takes on multitudes of expression. Thank you, Ananta, for this. Very welcome. The truth has nothing to convince you about. The truth has nothing to defend. The truth is not trying to impress you because the truth remains untouched. And this truth you are. And because you are this truth, then all the rest is just your play. All the rest is just your play. And this play is completely safe because nothing really touches you at all. Therefore, the truth does not have to fear. It cannot fear actually. Louis says yes. Atma says I am untouched by anything. Yes. Cornelia says so much energy spent for the untruth. Yes. This is your playground actually. So nothing real can be destroyed or spent. But when you get tired of playing, then you say, I want to go back home. And in the play itself, you say, I seem to have forgotten my way back. And out of your own light, you create a master. Out of your own light, you create a master who, for a while, plays along with you and says, yes, yes, you have forgotten. I will bring you back. But in his heart, he knows that this is not true. It is just in the play that you seem to have forgotten. But there is a joy in this play to say, I will hold your hand and lead you back home. The master knows that you have never left actually. But in the beginning, you are not ready to hear this. You say, the playground is so real. I am here. What do you mean? And in the play, there is a process of development of faith and trust. And when this trust arises, then when the master says, you have already been home, you have never left, then these words take a hold in your heart, and this fact is seen to be true. You have never been this person you imagined yourself to be. We have always been one.